Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge on Lenovo Tab M9. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and enter Edge and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open. And now you can sign in to sync your account, or you can click sign in later. Here you can set up your data sharing preference and click confirm. Here you can choose if you want to set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, or you can click not now. And now your Microsoft Edge is set up. Here it asks you if you want to import your browsing data from Google, but you can click not now. And now you can open any website. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.